Okay, hey everybody. This is going to be another episode of Redneck Gourmet. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. Here we go. Basically, what you're going to need is 2 eggs, some brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup melted butter, 1 cup raisins, 2 cups of flour, 4 cups of rolled oats. That'd be oatmeal if y'all want to get technical. And what I'm using for flavoring is about a tablespoon and a dash of vanilla. In case you didn't catch that, here's the ingredient list and the proportions right here. Okay, we start by putting the 2 eggs. You're going to need a fairly large bowl. Probably the biggest bowl, one of the biggest bowls you got. You need a fairly big size bowl for this, by the way. See, it does make a lot. And you're going to need to beat the eggs, which I'm going to do, but baking's kind of hard, so difficult to do with one hand. So I am going to beat these in. So yeah, I'll be right back in one. Yeah, that looks good and beaten in. When y'all say. Anyway. Oh, by the way, you need to this is an exact order that you need to do this in. So eggs, then we get our 2 cups of brown sugar. Put that in there. Then you're gonna mix that in, which I'll do right now, and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like that before, and this is what it looks like after. Yeah, so like I said, this is what it looks like after. You see it all creamy and stuff? Yeah, this is what looks good right there, yeah. So, the next step is 1 cup of raisins. Well, I put a little bit more in mine. Why? Because I like raisins. Yeah, I'll get those later. Yeah. Ah, dang it. Then you pour the melted butter on top of that. I guess you can. Then you gotta mix this all together, and I'll do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like when the raisins and the butter is beaten into the whole mixture. Yeah, I know I screwed up, but I screwed up putting the raisins in first, but it's gonna turn out alright. Cause I've done that a few times and they still turn out really well. So yeah. So now what we're going to do is put let me check, make sure I got everything right. Yeah. Alright. Now what we're going to do is put the 2 cups of flour in. And now I'm going to beat that in, and I'll show you what it looks like after I get that all beaten in. Okay, this is what it looks like when the flour has been all beaten in. Now, we come to a thing where you pretty much can't use the mixer anymore, because as thick as these get, as thick as this gets this batter, you will need to hand mix this. It's not that big of a deal, all right? But for oatmeal cookies, you do need to have four cups of rolled oats. And I'll show you what it looks like when I get them all hand mixed in. So yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and worked in the dash of the tablespoon and a dash of one of these and a dash of vanilla into this. And yeah, so yeah. Okay, what you need to do next, if you're doing what I'm doing, if you're cooking them how I am, which is in an oven, I'm doing them too because, well, I'm trying to knock out a bunch of these cooking videos because Thanksgiving is Thursday and this is Monday. So, two ovens preheated to 350 degrees. Surprised they're probably gotten. Okay, them have probably not. More than likely, them have gotten to 350. So you gotta grease. These makes a lot of cookies, by the way. So I'm using 3 pans. Well, one's a little small. Some are a little smaller than others. But yeah, I will show you what I do because I gotta grease all these pans, and then this is about the size of spoon I use for these. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when they're all they are all panned up. Okay, be right back. Okay, how you do this is, well, this is a little bit of a big one, but you get that off there and you press it down because these make pretty big size cookies. So let me finish this up because I've already got them over there done. So yeah, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I've already got the other 2 pans ready to be ready for the oven. So what we're gonna do here is slide this in. Right, both of these ovens have been preheated to 350 degrees. And there's the other 2. I'm gonna slide them back there. And I'll see y'all in about 12 minutes. Okay, after about 12 minutes, they should look like that. So yeah. Yep. That's about that. Anyway, so time for the normal stuff. If you have any questions or comments, email me at lastmonstv@gmail.com. Hit me up on Facebook. Private message me here on YouTube. Please subscribe. Don't forget to check out HWR Show on YouTube.com for your Hardcore Wrestling Radio. And don't forget to check us out on Hardcore Wrestling Radio on Facebook.com. And don't forget to check out WGS TV. So I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all later. Bye.